What's up, everybody? I'm Jesse with Good Fruit Motorsports. Today we got a pretty interesting video coming up. I was just in my truck. I'm doing some work at the shop. I was picking up some baseboard and I came across this lady in the Lowe's parking lot, or like right across, that had her little car completely stuck up on some curbs. And so she said that the tow truck was a couple hours away still. I was like, well, I'll be back in about 15 minutes and we'll see if we can pull you out. So it's a good opportunity to test the winch and some of the towing equipment. And so let's go ahead and head over there and see what we can do, if we can help her out. Get to use them, and so I'll jump on an opportunity to go out and get to drive my fun car and use the winch a little bit. Why not? Time to get back to some shop work, but hope you guys stay tuned, because 24 Hours of Appalachia was this previous week, and today is Friday, and it was quite a success. I've got a good bit of footage from that, and so I'm going to put some video together with all the driving footage, and then also do a little debrief probably. But I've just been busy this week.